next time he's gonna be taller than you.
You tall. What you doing?
What is that?
What you eating?
Elena around.
He sure you is too.
No. That's not what I meant. Ugh. You be eating.
Who was that in the hall?
Super baby grow.
You didn't stuff the thing in there. Oh, she's showing you Miss Moo. See that gate?
Oh, Miss Moo. I like
Ryan,
it.
where's your baby alive?
On the table. I was getting ready to show y'all.
No.
And you better not. You better not. The girl will have a convulsion. Stay right there. Both of them.
What are you doing?
Here. Shut up. Do not try to hide them.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah,
No,
see, that's why.
Come
You're jumping on the bed.
Come here.
That's why y'all have a bed.
Are you the boss? Why are you running away?
That's how they tore up them Mickey Mouse. What they had? Minnie Mouse? Yeah, they had Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Remember them beds they had?
Oh, those.
Minnie Mouse and Spider-Man that they tore them up and never slept in them? And they keep talking about they want some bunk beds. Give me that
You should have waited. What?
orange peel.
I got you.
You should have waited to get them little.
Well, I learned. That's why they gonna sleep right here.
Hey,
You want it again?
Tariq, can you flip?
You want me to do?
Why are you so mad?
You want me to do? No.
Tariq,
You want my tickles on?
Why are you so mad?
What you doing?
Oh, come here. It's okay. He play rough with you?
Y'all in this room.
What?
Oh, it's okay. You tell him not to play rough with you, okay? Tell
Hey,
him
Tariq,
don't
you want to
like
watch
it.
Spider-Man?
TT, where is my stories? You said you had stories for me?
And then
You want to show me?
he does. He fed us.
Come show me all your stories.
Zai just is talking to you.
Fine, Aaliyah.
What?
That was the same size. Wait, Aaliyah, come here.
They
Justice.
are.
Justice.
Aaliyah's a
We
little
kind
bit
of got
taller.
the vision.
Aaliyah, did you get taller?
Look, see, yeah. What?
Justice.
Look,
I'm 6. 1, 2.
you're 6. I know you're 6.
On the TV.
Well, I called you on your birthday, and you didn't seem to care.
Why? Don't put it up there, it'll fall.
It's a dime.
I know you're 6.
Don't put it on the TV, it'll fall.
Mom, where's TT's stories?
In there in the library. Hold on.
He's looking for it. He can't find it.
Hold on. I know that's
It was like, but it was longer. Oh.
no.
Tell it.
This is the one I used to always find. You would take
Yeah,
the
but
cover
there were
off the book.
pictures. There were pictures in it. It was like pictures, and it was like gold on the like edge.
Yes, they upgrade. They changed
They
that
took
book.
the pictures out.
took
The
the
pictures
pictures out
were
of the
really
book.
colorful. What did you
Wait,
say?
look.
Layla, come
The
here.
other one
I remember that book.
looks like this. I think we had the green one is the one that had the pictures in it. There's a green one,
There's a
Yeah,
but it has the same story.
Yeah,
I know the one
That's
with the
it,
pictures.
yeah.
I remember that.
'Cause that-
one.
But yeah, I remember.
I read that one.
Yeah, that was,
You always had this, and it didn't have the cover on it, and that would
Okay,
get on my
yeah.
nerves.
and then we also had the green one. But the green one was what I was
Because
talking
this
about.
is the one with all the biographies and the songs and
Okay, well then we had this one, but I was
Tar
talking
Baby.
about the green one then, because the green was the
the
one
green
with
one had the
pictures.
pictures in it.
Yeah, that was
this
what I
one
was
don't have the
talking
pictures
about.
in it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is this the Koala Brothers?
Look, Justice.
Look at this.
Justice. Look.
Went to the loo.
Yes. The baby and the mom went to the zoo to
Oh,
see
zoo.
the cows and the pigs. The end. I like this. This is so good.
The other one.
The other one, the boy who was at the beach. A boy went to the beach. He was there to play in the
You
sun.
Zion's picture where she
The
drew everybody.
I like this.
You
Is
follow?
this all with snowman in the book?
yeah.
Okay.
Stall.
Why doesn't I
Stall.
talk to
Have a present for Jasmine.
Oh gosh.
Here your book.
myself? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You
I told you we had it.
You don't remember this book? Really?
It was on Sesame Street.
I didn't watch Sesame Street like that.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You
No,
lie.
Dora Explorer head.
And Bear in the Big Blue House.
I like Bear in the Big Blue House.
See, that was Jasmine, one of Jasmine's favorite books.
Well, I didn't watch Sesame Street like that.
The little girl's house burned up.
Yeah, well, what about the bus can talk?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I
was
like
one
that
of her
one.
favorite books. If a bus could talk.
Yeah.
Rosa Parks. Now she's gonna turn into a kid again. Read the story.
Well, I would prefer to read it to them. You gonna
I said the dog.
To play by her rules. She said make a dog
Oh
house.
my God, Zion.
Are you the boss, I?
I'm making a dog.
You have to be fair, okay? Don't be bossy.
Those are the eyes for the dog.
You already have one. Aaliyah, or Zion.
Those are the eyes for the dog.
Oh my gosh.
There's a dog.
Then what's this? Oh my God. That's too much.
Oh boy. Now y'all see.
What happened?
She making her play doghouse with the bristle block. She picked up something that said make something, and she said, no, you have to make a doghouse.
She takes this away from me like 5 times and
Yeah,
then
look what
this
I
is the eyes for the
okay?
dog.
Okay.
tomorrow, okay?
Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
She not doing it right.
Look what Jasmine gave me.
She did.
Well, I can't
Because
have
she
a
ain't
lick.
got yeah,
Okay,
24.
look.
Oh.
I did it.
And then she got mad, so I had to give her one. I'll give her one
Is that how I
tomorrow.
look?
They at the dollar store, right?
I guess. Yeah, I think so.
I'll go get her some
Come on.
tomorrow. Seriously. Really
I wonder who's gonna bake a carrot cake.
I don't be
Carrot
baking
cake.
carrot cakes. I don't like carrot cakes.
Yes, you do.
You know what? I
Oh,
don't,
it's a carrot cake.
I don't like carrot cakes.
So I look.
So I guess that's gonna be
No, it's a. You know what? It's another
This
cake
is
in
my
there.
dog.
some what?
It's your dog.
It's a lot of stuff in there.
Show Jasmine your dog.
No, she wanted me to do a carrot cake.
I don't like carrot cake. It's your dog?
I said for them.
Making it.
Oh, you said what?
For them.
Oh.
Yeah, you're making it. I thought you're so bossy.
Jasmine.
Made them some muffins.
Yes. God doesn't like these.
Oh, she doesn't like these. It's okay. She don't have to eat them. She don't have to eat them.
You getting the dog houses together?
It's
Why isn't this the house for the dog?
'Cause she
That's a
said that's
dog
not it.
Snack.
In just a minute.
Okay. I can't make a dog.
Okay, then make something else.
I can't.
No, I
Make her a car. Dog. No.
Oh,
These are the eyes for the
No,
Here, I'm making a dog. I'm making a dog.
Oh my goodness, calm down.
she's making a dog.
Don't put your foot on it.
Those are the eyes for the dog.
Oh yeah, I remember these little chips.
Dear,
Where's the legs?
dear,
Jasmine,
Yes.
dear.
Oh really?
we play that.
Oh.
We play that.
Oh.
We
Jasmine's
just
in that one,
find the mirror.
like,
Here.
you ain't gotta get up all
Yeah.
How do you play with these? There's only 2.
Okay,
There's
Justin.
no more. There's a yellow one.
Oh, Justin's in Scrabble.
Gravel.
You gotta play Scrabble.
It's an apple.
Yeah, it's
There's no other. What about this?
Right. It's an apple game.
You'll have to play
No.
Scrabble with them, and then Scrabble Junior.
You're so piggy, Zion. Look. What about this?
See, in her mind, she got it all figured out. So you have to follow her plan.
I don't need to follow her plan.
See, that's where she got the attitude from.
Oh my god. This is too much. So I need to stop.
You doing the most? You're not doing the most?
I swear.
What you blow it for?
This is too much. Where's your movies? Why?
Well, be glad she don't have Barbies.
Where the other leg?
There's no other leg.
Where are the other leg?
Oh, she yelling now.
Look, there are no.
Oh, my goodness.
Look.
Zai, play fairly.
There's no other leg for the dog.
3 and 16. Gosh.
God.
Oh, my goodness.
Zion, there's no other leg.
You like the dog.
You use the leg for the tail.
It's not a leg.
It's not a leg.
Where is
Oh my gosh.
Good morning. Today is December 27th. Breakfast. Bunch of hungry kids. Everybody's here, so muffins and smoothies. I think somebody is going to make spaghetti for dinner tonight. Turkey spaghetti. Trying to feed a bunch of children. Telling us to not cook as much and let them cook. But we'll see how that turns out. Anyway, you guys enjoy. And I'll see you all later. Blueberry, banana milk, and strawberry. Good evening. Chicken breast, sweet and sour sauce, fried up some egg and the rice, cheese food and soy sauce. So, you all enjoy. These kiddos fed and teenagers fed, and I'll see you all the next one. Want to be a little upset?
Stop picking at your toe.
Tariq,
Zai.
take the blanket off.
Zai.
Leave it alone.
You're upset
Sit
by.
down.
My hair look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. It don't look stupid.
Layla.
No.
Is it?
It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks black.
Layla.
Are you sure?
And gray.
One sec.
And gray?
It's white.
It's gray.
It's black and white.
Okay, CT.
I like that dog.
Do you like that dog?
Yeah.
You like every dog.
You like, what about, hold up.
I like cats and
You like cats and dogs?
yeah. There's a
Yeah, something.
It's a dog.
Yeah.
yeah.
What?
What's the dog's name?
It's such a long name.
It really is.
For a dog.
Nana.
That's a long name for
Oh,
a
look at her
dog.
hair.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
I didn't get that.
Well, perhaps that's why she called her dog Minnie. Minerva.
That's the Minerva, Cassiopeia, whatever.
What?
Too
Yeah.
long for a dog.
It's a long name.
The dog
There's another
doesn't
name
care?
after Casio. She don't care.
The dog doesn't care. They're not gonna be.
They
called
don't
like
care
that.
that they have long names.
Yeah, but you always the dogs don't have to write it down ever. They might have to. Okay? Dogs don't use their middle names.
They don't use their middle name.
What if someone else has the same
I don't
name as
use
them?
my middle name. Shoot.
And your name is long.
Yeah, what if someone else has the same name as them?
Well, that's the reason why I gave y'all so many names. Nobody has the same name.
Exactly, that's the point of middle names.
So that's
But
the point.
dogs don't matter because you're not gonna see 5 different dogs named Minerva, Cassie, and in the same room. Just saying.
Well, she wanted to name her dog that.
That's
It's
not
fine. She
unnecessary.
paid the money. She named her dog. She trained it up. Let her have her dog named Minerva Cassiopeia.
I guess. That's so unnecessary.
Let her do it. Let her do it. It's her dog.
Whatever.
She takes care of it. I don't care. You go-
I know you're gonna miss them. They have.